to Japan!
2 cities, 5 personalities, and 0 time to waste. Here's Ivy, also known as Playpacket. She's beautiful, she's the head of the household, and the owner of this channel. Here's Leo, Ivy's husband. He is alive. Here's Sam, the oldest daughter. She's 15 and she's a baddie. Here's Stella. She's 11. Her favorite things are skincare and having order. Here's Ben. This 9-year-old loves to experiment and asks 100 questions. And lastly, baby Kai. He's with his grandparents for now. Welcome to the Miller family.
If you're in Paris, if you're in London, if you're in New York, bounce, bounce. If you're in Beijing, if you're in LA, if you're in Ghana, bounce, bounce.
Alexa, stop. Stop. Alexa, stop. Leo, it's time to get up. We gotta go to the airport.
I wanna sleep.
Guys, it's time to wake up. Sam, you know what? I got something to wake you up. Okay, I'm up.
Okay, everybody get your suitcases. Let's go to the airport.
ただいま近くにおりません。ピッという発信音の後にお名前、電話番号と要件をお話しください。
Whoa, this is so cool. I've never seen a hotel like this before. Oh my gosh, I have to take a video for my snap. This is gonna be so relaxing. Am I the only one that's starving?
Nope, come on guys, let's get going. My beautiful wife, where do we go to next?
Next, we're going to get ramen. I love ramen. I can't wait to have ramen from Japan.
Okay, so from this place, you pick your order from the menu outside, and then you can go inside and eat. I'll order for everyone.
Okay guys, we finally got our ramen. It looks delicious. I love it so much. My favorite part is the soup.
That's really good.
Mom, you need to learn how to remake this. Stella, what do you think? Can't stop eating.
Stay with me. 鋼の夜暖かきからないでと泣いた Oh
Dad, I don't think those are the lyrics. Oh my gosh. Sam, please don't post your dad singing on TikTok again. But it went viral last time, Mom. No buts. Guys, let's go to 7-Eleven.
Great thinking, Stella.
Whoa, this place is huge. Look at all the food. Japan is living in 2060. Why does a convenience store have better food than our fridge?
Alright team, snack mission. Everyone grab one thing.
Only one thing? We can come back. You just had a huge bowl of ramen. That rule feels unfair. Guys, look, they have those rice ball thingies.
Those are mochi.
I'm getting a whole box. Ben? Some for now, and some in case I wake up in the middle of the night hungry. I'm getting the egg sandwich. I've seen this all over TikTok. I want that. What's this drink?
That's a yogurt drink.
I'm getting that too. Didn't you already get a mochi set? Stella, this is called balance, I guess. Ooh, they have cake and ice cream. Wait, what's this? Dubai chocolate?
I have no idea, but it sounds fancy.
All right, into the basket it goes. This is literally the best convenience store ever. If every 7-Eleven was like this, I'd go every day. Okay, everyone, let's pay before Ben buys the whole shop. What do you mean? I didn't even get that many things. Nom 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 nom. Good morning, guys. Today we're going to start off the day by going to a stationery store that Stella's been wanting to go to. I hope they have Sunny Angels there. guys, look at this place. Why are there so many pens? Because they're amazing. It's literally just pens. These are not just pens.
Uh-oh, we lost her.
Okay, I'm just getting a few things. That basket was empty like 2 seconds ago. Oh my gosh! Is that a Sunny Angel? I need these! Hey, I was about to take that.
Too late. I already did.
Oh, no you don't! Oh my gosh, you guys. I have the one and only 24 karat gold Sunny Angel. And I'm about to buy it from Japan, so I will automatically become the coolest person on earth.
Can I have that?
I'm not giving it away, unless you want to trade.
Oh, sure. Take this.
Nice doing business with you. Thanks, Sam. You're welcome, little sis. That wasn't made of gold, though. And it's also not the only one made. It's not my fault they believe me. Hey, just checking. Have you subscribed? If you have, then you're really cool. If you haven't, then now's your chance to show us how cool you are. Join the Alpackets today. Stella, do you really need all of that? Yes. What even is this? Tape? It's washi tape. That looks like normal tape. It's decorative tape. What exactly is she decorating? My life! Wait!
What happened?
Look! That's so cute! Oh, I've seen those before. What is it?
That's taiyaki. It's a fish-shaped waffle with filling.
An ice cream! We have to get it. This might be the cutest dessert ever. Hold on, don't eat it yet. Photo first. Hurry, Sam, mine's melting. Oh wow. Is it good? Mom, we need these at home. It's okay. What do you mean it's just okay? It's delicious.
Look, it's a dancing owl.
Wait, I want to go in here.
We're not doing a full shopping trip.
I just want to look. That sentence has never been true in the history of shopping. But me too. Okay, thoughts? You look like you're about to fight the final boss. Or start a K-drama. Hey, so I look like a main character.
How much does that outfit cost?
Don't ruin the moment, Dad. Okay, what do we think?
Ooh, I think I want to marry you again.
Ew, Dad. It is a good outfit, though. Today, we may have gone a little bit overboard. Okay, maybe a lot overboard. But look at all this content for TikTok.
Remember, kids, it's about memories, not just snacks.
And maybe a little bit about snacks. Good night from Tokyo, everyone. Can we move here?